Hey, ladies and gentlemen, check this out. Brazil. A lot of news on Brazil here recently. Brazil, of course, is part of the BRICS nations. Brazil, Russia, India, China, South Africa. So apparently the Brazil Stock Exchange, the stock market's in a free fall. And so this Brazil shares EWZ is off 4% today. It is at a new 52-week low price and it's tanking. So I'm just doing my own research, quick, legal disclaimer type thing, information provided, informational, educational purposes, not financial advice, read the legal stuff. All right, so real quick. So I'll show you this. Look at the chart, it's tanked. This is a 12-month, and you see it's just been a big downtrend and tanking, and now is gapping down and falling. So I always kind of look at stock shares in markets when that's transpiring. Could this transpire, for example, for the U.S., after President Trump is installed into office here in January? You never know. So Brazil is tanking anyway. Here's the fund, on Robinhood, check it out. It's for the year, it's off about 34%. And for the day, here's the daily chart, it's just tanking. So again, catch the falling knife. Where's the bottom in Brazil, in the Brazil stock market? So I look at this from a valuation perspective, say perhaps there's some value, in these stocks. EWZ tracks a market cap weighted index of Brazil firms, covering the entire market cap. So this is comparable to the SPY or VOO, VOO ETF for the US stock market. So check this out, 55 holdings, the sectors, financial services, energy, basic materials, industrials. Oh man, fascinating. Okay, 57% of the top 10 market weight holding shares. You got Nubank, Vale's tanking, Petro, Brazil. I won't pronounce a lot of these names because I don't speak Portuguese. Petro Company, WEG, SA, Ambev, Banco, Bradesco, Brazil, Bolsa, and then Suzana, SA. And look at the metrics here. 30-day yield is like 6%. Very conservative PE ratio. Cheap stocks get cheaper. So 52-week low is 2304. And I believe that was met today. So it's, trading at or near its 52-week low. And so this is fascinating to see, well, what's going on with Brazil? Is their stock market gonna bottom out? Here's for the week. Look at this. It's off 12% for the week. So I'm looking, I don't own any of these shares yet, but I'm looking at this catch the falling knife trade, and I don't try to guess the bottom, but this market is way oversold technically, possibly, and great value. So I might consider, not financial advice again, but I might consider nibbling on some of this EWZ ETF in an effort to acquire some Brazil stock shares, in their S&P 500 equivalent, so it could go to zero, anything's possible, it's part of the BRICS, but it's, 100% strong downtrend. Look at this thing. Again, just tanking. 100% strong sell. So that's basically my video for today, doing my own research, looking at the capital markets and, where's the value. So BRICS, Brazil, oil companies in Brazil, 100% strong sell. I mean, you could travel to Brazil now and purchase real estate in using, a stronger currency like Bitcoin or the US dollar, purchase these shares here and then earns a great dividend yield. So again, just a quick video, about 5 minutes on the Brazil stock market and the Brazil real or real, recently defending it against major world currencies and Bitcoin and precious metals market. So with that, trend's my friend. The trend is down for Brazil, but I don't think it's going to last forever. but trying to find, where's the pivot points? Where can we purchase the Brazil market? So I don't try to guess the bottom, like I said, but perhaps it's some value here in the Brazil stock market. Thanks, everyone. Have a great day and let the trend be your friend. Go Brazil.